Want to know how to download Corsair AI on your Mac OS? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you can just simply open up your favorite web browser and type in corsair.com for Corsair AI. So once you have typed in that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, here you should be seeing two options. You can either download with Mac OS or download with Windows. So it should automatically detect your OS and you can just simply download it by selecting it right here, and it should be easily downloaded on your Mac OS. So you can also scroll down to see more of this information and how it works and how it helps you on your codings and stuff. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.